All right, y'all, so we're gonna get these wholesale orders packaged up. This is so crazy. Like, I'm so happy, so grateful. So this is the first wholesale order that we're going to be getting ready to ship out. This is the mini collection. She ordered 25 glosses. So I already have my box ready to go. And I already have the packaging slip printed out. So I'm gonna just set this on top and I'm gonna move this all the way over here. And now we're gonna go ahead to the next one. All right, so for the next one, we're gonna be packaging up the lip scrub. So I'm gonna use a bigger box. You can see inside. I think this might be too big, but we're gonna make it work because I only have that size box that I just worked with in this one, so we gotta make it work. But yeah, everything's from Amazon, and even though I said this, somebody's still gonna come in the comment section and ask where they get this box from. It's from Amazon. Put in pink box and you should find it. Okay, so as y'all can see, I got the lip scrubs right there. And this is how it looks. Real pretty and colorful. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. So I do lots of entrepreneur videos, packaging, filling lip gloss, tubes, making lip scrubs. I used to do vlogs, but as y'all know, we're on lockdown basically. So there's nowhere to go, so I can't vlog. But yeah, make sure y'all subscribe. See you, girl. You're on the road to 10K. And that's that. And then of course I have the packaging slip right here. So we can go ahead and put that on top and slide it to the back. So now we're on to the squeeze tubes. We're gonna go ahead and get this ready. I think out of all the wholesale orders I did yesterday, well, I only did 3, but out of the 3 that I did, this is my favorite. I just love the colors. Like, she picked some pretty colors. Like, I really hope that she likes them as much as I do. They look so good. Yo, this looks so good. Do wholesale with me so y'all can get these pretty glosses or lip scrubs. This is my last wholesale order that I had to package for today. And as y'all can see, these are the empty wand tubes. I had 30 left and this girl ordered them last night. So I'm super excited to get them out of here. So they are currently sold out. I will be restocking them soon. I'll probably order some more tomorrow. So yeah, you can shop me for empty wand tubes, empty squeeze tubes. If you want the squeeze tubes filled, I do that. And once I restock, I'll probably add wand tubes filled too. So be on the lookout for that. Mini collection glosses, you can get those. I do not have those empty, but you can get those filled with gloss and lip scrubs. So definitely shop with me for wholesale. You will not be disappointed. I do not have enough boxes. These are not going to be able to fit in the medium boxes. I only have one large box, so once I get to the post office, I'll have to get 2 extra boxes. And tonight I'm gonna order some more boxes. All right, so I got one shipping label printed out so far. Here comes another one. All right, now I gotta print out the last 2. Okay, now I'm done with my printer. Now all I'm gonna do is take my scissors and, cut it. Okay, so this one is the mini collection wholesale. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the packaging slip inside. And then I'm going to take the shipping label. This one is going to Georgia. I'm gonna put it right here. And then I'm going to take one of my thank you stickers And just gonna place this right here. Boom, like that. And voila. I'm just gonna take it, place it inside, and then I'm gonna get the packaging slip. Boom. All right, this one is done. Now, like I said, I have to wait till I get to the post office to do the rest. So if it's not packed in there, then I will show that process.